So that's 2 videos going on YouTube. Oh, by the way, a shelf broke in that sweets store. I helped them clean it up, and they gave me 2 orange suckers. Cry about it, nerds.
Can I have one?
No, not just kidding.
I didn't get one.
Don't worry, you can just bust it off the thing and crack it in 2.
No, I have to wait.
Give me $1.
Oh man, that's weird. Tanya's face is on the camera. Wow.
On a train ride, handle it. On a train ride,
Was that a problem, ma'am? You're a problem. Trains.
Oh, Santa's not there.
Santa's dead. No, just kidding. He was having a good time, but then, I don't know, he just up and died. Santa was having a good time, but then one day he just up and died for no reason. To the North Pole with the careful. Trains are fun.
Why are we so amazed with this?
Because we're little kids. We're little kids. We believe in dragons. What are those? What are those? Beep beep. Beep beep. Cruising on down Main Street. You're relaxing, feeling good. Next thing that you know is boom, boom, boom. Did you hear what I said? Cruising on down Main Street. You're relaxing, feeling good. Next thing that you know, there is a boom, boom, boom.
Just your friend?
No. It's another one.
Oh, the Jessica Kiki girl.
Lollipop. I've been watching you. Trains.
You have more subscribers than Jake Paul?
Who's that? How many subscribers does he have?
20?
I'm almost at 20. Oh man, those are some Club Penguin cards. Club Penguin. Do you guys still play Club Penguin?
No.
Have you even heard of it?
Yeah.
Have you ever played it?
Where?
I'm gonna be honest, I still play it. I'm that one guy who still plays it.
Yeah.
5-minute ride because everything's so slow. It's a 5-minute ride because the train is slow. I tried to push it back in your mouth. So you did this. Alright guys, my mom's tired, so we have to go home.
Okay.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye. There it goes again. All right, you want to go home now? You can go home now if you want to. Are you awake? You're awake. All right. Wait. Yeah? Just sit for a second. Alright, that was a train ride with my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Good day.